With RP Flight Systems, we wear two hats. RP Flight Systems is the for-profit company for producing the Spectre drone aircraft. RP Search Services is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that provides the UA technology to fire first responder search and rescue. The Spectre was developed beginning 2003. We've worked very hard to try to get the Spectre down to the point where we have the fewest moving parts. It's not designed to fly very fast. It's not designed to do aerobatics. It's designed to do one thing, and that's haul freight. That's what we wanted to do. We wanted to carry a package that will collect data for us and do it efficiently and quickly. In 2005, we entered into the search and rescue disaster mitigation arena with our first search, and we fell out of that tree and hit 100 branches on the way down. Been doing it ever since. We have done literally thousands of missions in both fire, search and rescue, and other areas. Some of the more high-profile cases, Kaylee Anthony case in Florida, Chelsea King in California. We've been to 32 states in the United States doing search and rescue, 4 countries, and we are credited, or the drone aircraft is credited with 12 recoveries so far. And we have taken it also into the local level. This is a small fire at the bottom of the screen there that we did, and we assisted law enforcement with being able to determine damage extent and hazmat because it was an Ace Hardware store and it was full of paints and chemicals. So we had a bit of a problem with toxic plume out of that particular structure fire. Obviously, when you put together unmanned aircraft, you want to look at the sensors you can carry. So we've done a lot of development for payloads. We've done, obviously, the aerial photography. We've done the infrared thermal imagery. We've done, this was a search we did in Houston. It's Shadow downtown Houston. It's very similar to this in the ship channel where we found a victim and we did false color imaging, find a victim. It was about 3 meters below the surface of the water there. Okay, we've also worked on logics and insertion into the disaster scene. What can you carry in? What is the minimum you can get by with? What is the minimum qualifications for the aircrew that you need going in? How do you interface with the people who are running the disaster? What tools do you need to get into a scene and to be able to produce the data effectively? And this is something we've done over the last 10 years. And also, how much do you need? Do you need to carry all this stuff? We've had partnerships with several universities, San Diego State University, currently University of Wisconsin Eau Claire, and Texas State University, which we're very excited about this one. We are doing forensics anthropology using alternate spectra, full spectrums for imagers. This is a full color image of their body form, which they actually put volunteers out and they decompose, and we image them in various wavelengths of light so we can see what happens to them when we scan them with near infrared at different wavelengths, that sort of thing. Sorry, spoiler alert, there's dead people in this picture. So that's RP Flight Systems and RP Search Services. I wrote a book called First to Deploy, and I would like to offer a complimentary copy to all attendees if you want it. It's a kind of a summary guideline of what we've done with unmanned aircraft and an operational guideline as well. Thank you very much, Steve. Appreciate it.